It's hot and sunny out here today. A perfect day to play golf. Check out those golf carts. Looks like those people are getting ready to play a round of golf. I wonder how many golf clubs are in each cart. Click a cart to find out more. There are 8 clubs in each of these 2 carts, and 9 clubs in this cart. I wonder how many clubs there are in all. I think we can multiply and add to solve this problem. I have an idea. Why don't we see how to use diagrams to solve 1- and 2-step problems? Come along with me.
Let's figure out how many students are taking drum lessons.
Saleh, could you please read
Let's
this one?
unlock this problem.
Read this problem, please.
I can't see very well in the screen.
It's not clear? Okay, 4 groups of students are taking drum lessons, okay? There are 9 students in each group. How many students are taking lessons in all? Again, 4 groups of students are taking drum lessons. There are 9 students in each group. How many students are taking lessons in all? Can you help me, Saleh?
Wait, 9 times 4.
Yeah.
First, read the problem. What do you need to find? You need to find the total number of students taking drum lessons. Next, find the information you were given. There are 4 groups of students taking drum lessons, and there are 9 students in each group. Now make a plan for solving the problem. You can draw a bar model to help you see what operation you need to use to solve the problem. Now let's solve the problem. You need to complete the bar model to show how many students are taking drum lessons.
So we have here, to solve this question, we have, as you see, we have this diagram. Inside that we have 4 parts. Inside each part we have to put 9. So simple answer to find the answer, you have to add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 4 times, or to use the multiplication table, which is 9 times 4. 9 times 4. I'm going to tell you about the answer later.
Why does the bar model have 4 boxes? Because there are 4 groups of students. What number goes in the box to show the number of students in each group? That's right, 9. Now look at the next 3 boxes. What number goes in the next box? The number 9. And what number goes in the next box? Yes, 9. What number goes in the box to show the number of students in the last group?
What do you think, Ali? The last one. The last 9 is 9 as well, right?
Yeah.
9. The number 9 is written in each box. Now you can use the bar model to decide which operation to use to find the total number of students taking lessons. Since there are equal groups, you can multiply. There are 4 groups of students and 9 students in each group.
So what do you think, Yazan, what is the answer for this problem? Took a long time, isn't it? What is your answer? It's like 9 plus 9. What is 9 plus 9, Yazan? Yazan? What is 9 plus 9? You don't know? Yazan, can you hear me? Yazan Ghamdi, can you hear me? What's wrong? I can't hear you. Open your microphone again.
It's 18.
What is 9 plus 9?
18.
Yeah,
18.
and we have another 9 plus 9, 18. So now we have 18 plus 18. What is 18 plus 18?
18 plus 18.
Yeah.
18 plus 18. 18.
Yes,
I
Osama?
know.
Yeah.
Now I know. Is 48.
No. Try again.
Is 20. 13.
30 what?
36.
36, right.
4 groups of 9 equals 36. So there are 36 students taking drum lessons.
So we can use this problem, but we can find the answer by this way. 18 plus 18. So Osama, now 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8 equals
Wait, yes.
13.
Wait.
13.
8 plus 8.
Equals 16.
16. Yeah, 6 and carry up 1 here. Up here. Then 1 plus 1
Maybe
plus
2.
1.
And be 3.
Yeah, so the answer 36. Let's move to another one.
Let's find how many shakers the students in the band made. Let's unlock this problem.
Yazan Atash, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Read this one.
Where?
This question 19.
90 students in
Mrs.
Thai
Taylor's class.
Taylor's class want to start a band.
Yeah. 15 students.
15 students each made a drum.
Okay.
That is made two
Shakers.
shakers each. How many
Shakers were
shakers were made?
Yeah.
First, read.
Shakers were made two.
What do you need to find?
What do you need to find, Yazan?
We need to find
How many shakers were made? So you can know what you need from this question after the word how. How many shakers were made?
You need to find how many shakers the students made. What information are you given?
Can you tell me about information inside the same question? Yeah, go on.
Each number
How many students for all, Yazan?
for all.
Yeah. They are 19. 19 students, okay, in this class. And 15 of them made a drum, okay? And the rest made 2 shakers each. The rest, so what is the rest of, like, if you subtract 19 minus 15, what is the answer?
What is the answer? It will be 4.
4, yes, you are right, 4. So the rest made 2 shakers, like 4 students made 2 shakers. How many shakers were made?
Okay.
The rest made 2 shakers.
It will be 8.
19 students in Mrs. Taylor's class who want to start a band. 15 of those students each made a drum, and the rest of the students made 2 shakers each. Now make a plan for solving the problem. You can draw a bar model to help you see how to solve the problem. You will use the bar model to find how many students made shakers. Then you will use that number to find the total number of shakers. Okay, now let's solve this problem. The first thing you'll do is set up your bar model like this to show that 19 students want to start a band. Put the 15 students who made a drum in this box. Then decide which operation to use. To find the unknown part, or how many students made shakers, subtract.
So after subtraction, 19 minus 15 is 4, as Yazan said. So after that, the rest made 2 shakers each. So we're gonna multiply 4 by 2.
19 minus 15 equals 4. So 4 students made shakers. Now you can use another bar model to show the number of shakers each of those students made.
So how many numbers inside each box? Let me ask here, Abdurrahman.
Yes.
What number inside each box?
Inside each box.
Yeah.
4.
No.
Each box.
Inside each one.
Um.
The rest made 2 shakers each. I'm talking about those 4 students.
Oh.
So inside each one, it's 2, right?
Since the 4 students made 2 shakers each, what number goes in each box? You're right. 2 goes in each box. Again, because there are equal groups, you can multiply to find the total number of shakers. Think, what does 4 groups of 2 equal?
Yeah. So 4 times 2 is 8, or 4 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 4. 2 times, or 4 times 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. They are all equals to 8.
4 groups equals 8. So the students in the band made 8 shakers.
Now let me tell you something. 4 times 2 is like 4 plus 4. Okay?
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus
No. Only 2 times. Why?
It will be it's very easy the time. Very easy.
Because you know, Yazan, we have here 4 times 2. So you have to repeat 4 2 times, or you have to repeat what?
Or we will repeat 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus
4 times.
It's very easy. Very easy the time. Very easy.
Plus 2 plus 2.
Plus
So they are
2.
all right. You know, 4 plus 4 is 8.
And 2 plus 2 plus 2
plus 2, they are 8. And if you multiply 4 times 2, it's 8 as well. Okay? I think this is the best one ever.
Very easy the time.
Yeah.
There are 7 groups of 6 students who play the trumpet in the marching band. How many students play the trumpet in the band? How can you find the number of students who play the trumpet? You can use a bar model to show each group of students. What do the 7 boxes represent? The number of groups of students who play the trumpet in the marching band. Since there are 6 students in each group, what number goes in each box?
this question for Oday is not here.
No,
Oday is not here. Okay. Okay, Osama.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Could you please read this one again? There are 7 groups.
There's 7 groups of 6 students.
Students.
What?
Students.
Students who play the trumpet.
Do you know what is
And-
trumpet, Osama?
Trumpet, yeah, I forgot.
It's something called
yeah.
music.
Like
Music
this,
instrument.
like this.
Yeah.
Like-
Yeah, it's a music instrument. And the marching band. How many students play the trumpet in the band? So how many groups here, Osama? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. How many one inside each box?
6.
Perfect, Osama. Thank you very much. Look at this.
You're correct. 6 goes in each box. Now, because there are equal groups, you can multiply to find the total number of students. Think, what does 7 groups of 6 equal?
Yeah. Can you think about this?
Okay.
All of you. Yazan, think about this. Ryan, think about this.
Yazan,
Saleh.
6 negative 42.
Yeah.
6, 16, 15, 14,
Ali.
18,
Bajwa. Muhammad Bajwa. Omar. Ibrahim. What is 6 times 7 is? What is 7 times 6? What's 7 times 6?
7, 4.
What's 7 times 6?
I know. 100.
Yes.
24. Mister, 24.
24 or 42?
7 groups of 6 equals 42. 42 students with a trumpet in the band.
Thank you very much. And you all deserve to get extra marks. So the correct answer is 42. So when I ask you 7 times 6, it's 42. Or even 6 times 7 is 42 as well.
Now, let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Open your book now. This page, I'm going to open it for you. It's page number 160. 160. Open it, please, and write this answer. The same answer. Before writing the answer, you have to read the question. Ibrahim Hashim. Abdul Rahman.
Yes.
Ibrahim, where are you, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Where are you? I was calling you
Yes, I'm Ibrahim.
2,000 years ago. Yeah, okay. Ibrahim, can you please read this one? 12
1,000 years
students?
ago.
Yeah. Ibrahim, can you read this one? 12 students.
Which one?
12 students. This example. Page 160.
I can't really see it. Possible answer: subtract the other students who made drums from the number of students who want to start a hunt. I
No.
can't really read it.
Look
It's
at
not
this. Look at this. Look at this.
12 students in Mr. Taylor's class want to start a band. 7 students each made a drum. The rest of the
Screaming.
students made 2 shakers each. How many shakers were made? See below.
Okay. So to write the answer, we need to read the problem first. We need to plan how to solve it. Then we need to write the answer. So could you please write all of this? It's page 160. Page 160. So we'll listen to this in the video. And the homework today is the same kind of question. Yes, Osama, you need something?
Teacher,
Yes.
we write all of this, even
Yeah.
we write the number and the
Yeah,
questions.
yeah. It's necessary for this question to understand the procedures, the steps.
There's so many.
I know, but take your time and think about every word you write.
It's so hard.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom? Ah, Mister? Mister, are you there? Mister, I'm going to go to the bathroom. Bye.
Okay, Abdurrahman, go. No problem. Ibrahim Abdulhadi, do you need Thompson?
Is it okay? I'm telling you, the class is glitched, literally glitched. But keep it on. Keep it until the next class, but still keep it to put
Okay.
some classes.
Just finish it all.
Just keep the class on. Keep the class on. Okay.
Okay.
Do not leave.
Yazan, done?
No. I am. How will I use the information?
Do you understand all of this? Yazan Al-Ghamdi?
Yeah.
Do you understand what you write?
Yeah.
Ibrahim Hashim,
Yes.
have you finished?
Finished what?
What you see in the screen. I asked you to write all of
Did I
this.
see in the screen?
Page 160. Ali, done?
Teacher,
Yes.
I don't see the sentence properly.
It is not clear?
Yeah.
Now is it clear?
No, it's not clear.
Anyway, I'm gonna send the answer of this lesson today to the WhatsApp group. Okay, now let's open another page. This one,
Page number what?
page 161.
And
161.
what we
And this question, there are 6 groups of 4 students who play the trumpet and the marching band. How many students play the trumpet and the band? So we're gonna fix it. Here, there are 6 groups. 6 groups. So put line under 6 of 4 students. So as you see here in this graph, who plays the trumpet and the marching band? How many students play the trumpet and the band? So inside each box we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So even you add all of them, and it's hard to add all of them. And the best way is to multiply 6 by 4. 6 by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. Okay.
STUNTS.
You are talking about students, Ali?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Yes, Anatash?
Yes.
Can you read number 3?
Number 3.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose there.
No, again, suppose.
Suppose there are 5 groups of the trumpet
Of five groups of 4 trumpet players.
players in front of the trumpet
Players?
players are 18
Saxophone players.
saxophone players. How many students play the trumpet or saxophone?
Or, so we need to add all of them. Could you tell me how could you find 38? in answer?
Yes.
How?
Because we
How many one for trumpet? How many one?
trumpet, there are 4.
It's 5 times 4.
Yes.
So 5 times 4, what is the answer?
5 times 4.
Yeah.
Not 5 times. Or what?
Yeah. 5
Yes.
4 times. 5, you can add 5 4 times. What is the answer? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Yes, Osama.
Equal 20.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you
20.
Okay. 20. And how many one for saxophone?
Huh?
How many one for saxophone?
6.
Saxophone. It's another instrument.
18.
18. So now we have to add 20 to 18. 20 plus 18 is equal to what?
Equal. Equal.
38.
38.
The same answer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Perfect.
Very easy.
Page 162.
No,
100.
I didn't finish.
No problem. You can see the answers later, Yazin. Only try to understand. Focus. Saleh?
Yes.
That one.
Okay. The picture graph shows how students in Julian's class voted for their favorite instrument. How many students voted for the guitar?
Yeah. How's it 10?
Because it's 2 times 5.
2 times 5, because we have here 5 smiley faces for guitar, right? And each one, the key here, each smiley face is equal to votes. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 students, right?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, boys, I'd like to thank you all for this class. And I hope for you all a very nice weekend. Try to play, try to relax, try to do everything you like. And see you next week.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, 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 bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Love you.
When I read